After 6 long years, Dewdrop Dynasty is finally out on Steam. I apologize for the delay, that was super stressful, but unfortunately it was out of my hands. But with all that said, this journey has been challenging, frustrating, and downright wonderful. I won't say too much right now as I plan on releasing a full devlog soon, but what I will say is thank you so much for your relentless support over these past 6 years. And all I can hope for is that you enjoyed the game as much as I enjoyed working on it. And speaking of working on it, expect new updates for the game, as there's a couple of areas and bosses that I'd like to enhance, and basically add the rest of the things I didn't have the chance to before the release. So just know if things are a little bumpy this first week or so, they'll be smoothed out. I'm also in the process of making a Mac port, making sure that the game is fully translated in multiple languages, and finally, also trying to release the game on the Nintendo Switch. Also, if you encounter any bugs, make sure to join our Discord and let us know, because no matter how much you beta test, I'm sure there's going to be a ton of them. But that's enough for me. Go grab your copy of Dewdrop Dynasty on Steam today, and we'll talk soon.